got the mower all hooked up. Filled it full of gas and water. Let's see if she'll fire. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Battery is not much good. I guess I'll get the jump pack and get it fired up. I'm gonna let you guys ride along today. Well, I guess that's good enough, considering I just broke the tractor. Oh well. I gotta get a better pin for that PTO anyways. I ain't too concerned with it as long as it's not chest high. The pin that holds this to the tractor come out. Oh yeah, that was kind of scary. Oh well. Now I'll go get a inner tube put on the mower and do the little edge work that I can't do with the tractor. Whew, man. You know, I used to be all about these Dixons. I used to love them. Until this one started giving me all kinds of problems. And then I began to hate them. This one here has stayed here at the shop for 3 years now. I think I mowed once with it last year. Fried a battery. Fixed that. Started to mow again, ripped wires out for some reason. Something come loose and it just started ripping wires. Drug it back up here, fixed that. Come in the next day, this tire was flat and would not take air. Well, before I even got the battery in there, I heard the tire popped. I am so sick of that crap. $18 down the tube. Don't even care, I'm gonna mow it anyways. Really? Alright, I'm done messing with this thing. I don't know if it'll do it, but I just put a valve stem in it. Well, if it holds, at least it'll get it mowed, right? That's all I need is to get it mowed. Oh, what a mess. Time to unload and get my trailer back. Oh man, that sucked. I didn't even have a clue what all was in this trailer, but I knew I needed the trailer. Pulled my battery out, put it on charge inside, and everything's stacked in there. Some of it already sorted, but it's way too hot in this black trailer to be going through everything. All right, tomorrow I need to get my 55 out of the semi-trailer and load it into here. I need what is behind the 55. I don't have my air tank here to put air in the tire, so that's why I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to get it here. Kind of a random video, but this is stuff just needed done. Tomorrow I am working on the Camaro, and I also want to load the 55 in this trailer and dig out the truck that is behind it. I am going to be listing it for sale. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. If that truck don't sell, it will be coming into the shop to get the fabrication finished up on it.